Look at that.
Ash has stickers on his back. And he has a sticker on the back of his head. Reese, smile. Okay, dah.
Oh, video lah.
Ya, video lah.
Oh, best. Oh, dia tengah tengok.
Zyron. Hey guys, so my band just finished the auditions. We're out here at the industrial park, as you can see. It's kind of out of the way. So we're at Ubi. And I'm gonna meet Irma now, and I don't know. How long do you think I have to wait to take a cab? Oh, here's one now! See ya. Hey guys, it's almost 8:30 at night. I gotta rest a little before I head to work. I'm doing the graveyard shift again. So I met Irma at Raffle City and I managed to catch the noise showcase and I won something! Cause when we were there, I don't know, it's just luck maybe. I got an SMS from my phone service provider, you know, Singtel. And it said the first 50 customers to present that text at the counter will get a tumbler. So we'll see what it is. Hold on. Okay, everything that's in the bag. Alright. I know what you guys are thinking. Oh, why don't you use both hands? Shut up. Okay. Well, you got your stickers. Notepad. I saw this earlier. It's well, more stickers and the artists and the apprenticeship program. Is that what? Yeah, I said it correctly. And this is a friend. It's from a friend of mine, by the way. It's Diana. She took a picture of her kindergarten kids that she takes care of. I think it's cute. She won something though. I think she won an iPod Touch. Lucky. Oh, so anyway, the tumbler. There you go. Same as the book. Looks pretty neat though. I think I'll be using this for real. Maybe I'll use this for work. Awesome. We'll see if anything's in there. Whoa! So anyway, what happened yesterday is that I had a little acoustic show at the Raffles Place Park for Urban Clap. Doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter. What happened was it was raining before that, so everything got postponed and I got my set cut short, like in half. I had like 8 songs ready and said, oh yeah, you gotta do 4. Story of my life. Well, some of you may notice that the quality of the video is better now. It's because I'm using Irma's camera. And with this convenience, I thought it was better if I could just shoot short videos. Well, you guys gotta let me know. Do you guys would rather watch my 8 to 9 minute videos or just little short 3-4 minute clips? I don't know, cause 8 to 9 minutes, it's a little long. For me, I don't know about you guys. So please tell me, give me some feedback. To be honest, I feel much more liberated now to be carrying around an actual camera. I don't know. Well, you're seeing the rest of my house. Now look at my fridge. Ah! Not so impressive, but well, it's my mom's stuff. I don't know why you guys would want to see this. I don't know why I'm showing it to you in the first place. Well, anyway, that's the tour of my house. Well, half of it. I'm not gonna show you the rest. Come on. We don't know each other that long. I should have taken a glass. I know this is gross. So anyway, guys, really gotta take a nap. I have an hour and a half to rest before I get ready for work. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And please tell me what you like in my videos. Would you like it long? Would you like it short? That's what she said. Thanks. Too long? Zyron.